Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download ExpressVPN on Samsung Smart TV step by step. Guys, I'll guide you through setting up ExpressVPN for secure streaming on your Samsung TV, plus explain why NordVPN is a better choice. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Let's get started. Samsung Smart TVs run on Tizen OS, which doesn't support native VPN apps like ExpressVPN from the Samsung App Store. You can't directly download and install ExpressVPN on the TV itself. Instead, there are workarounds to secure your Samsung TV with a VPN. One way is casting from a device with the VPN active. Open ExpressVPN on your phone or tablet, connect to a server, then cast content to your Samsung TV using screen mirroring or apps like Netflix. But this might not work if the content is geo-restricted. A better option is using your phone as a hotspot. Turn on the VPN on your phone, enable the mobile hotspot, and connect your Samsung TV to that hotspot Wi-Fi. This routes the TV's connection through the VPN on your phone, making it appear as if the TV is in the VPN's location, like the UK or US. Go to your TV's settings, network, Wi-Fi, and connect to your phone's hotspot. Unique tip: use ExpressVPN's split tunneling on your phone to allow only the TV's traffic through the VPN, saving your phone's data. The most reliable method is setting up ExpressVPN on your router. Visit expressvpn.com/router, sign up if you haven't, and follow their guide to flash compatible routers like Asus or Netgear with ExpressVPN firmware. Connect your Samsung TV to the VPN-enabled router, and all devices get protected. This ensures seamless streaming on your TV without per-device setup. ExpressVPN strong with 3,000+ servers in 105 countries for unblocking Netflix or Hulu, but a NordVPN is better. NordVPN has 8,000+ servers in 126 countries, often at lower cost. Plans start at $3 per month versus ExpressVPN's $8+. Its NordLynx protocol offers faster speeds for 4K streaming, and CyberSec blocks ads/malware. NordVPN supports 10 devices versus ExpressVPN's 8, with audited no logs for privacy. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.